The famous Indian epic Ramayana was written by. The correct option is number A, Valmiki. The highest civilian award in India is. The correct answer is number B, Bharat Ratna. The Indian state of Rajasthan shares its border with which country? The correct answer is number D, Pakistan. The famous Taj Mahal is located in which Indian city? The correct answer is number A, Agra. The largest river island in the world, Majuli, is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is number C, Assam. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss World title? The correct answer is number A, Rita Faria. The Indian state of Himachal Pradesh is known as the land of. The correct option is number D, gods. Who wrote the famous Indian epic Mahabharata? The correct answer is number A, Vyasa. The Battle of Haldighati fought in 1576 was between. The correct option is number B, Akbar and Maharana Pratap. The Indian state of Bihar is famous for which ancient university? The correct option is number A, Nalanda University. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal in badminton? The correct answer is number C, PV Sindhu. The famous Ajmer Sharif Dargah is the tomb of. The correct option is number A, Khaja Moinuddin Chishti. The official resident of the President of India is. The correct answer is number D, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who is the first Indian cricketer to score 10,000 runs in one-day internationals? The correct answer is number A, Sachin Tendulkar. The Indian state of Meghalaya is known as the Abode of. The correct option is number B, clouds. The famous rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram are located in which Indian state? The correct answer is number A, Tamil Nadu. The highest civilian award in India, Bharat Ratna, was instituted in the year. The correct answer is number C, 1954. The Indian state of Uttar Pradesh is famous for which monument? The correct answer is number A, Taj Mahal. The famous Indian musician Ravi Shankar is associated with which musical instrument? The correct answer is number B, sitar. The famous Indian monument India Gate is dedicated to the soldiers who lost their lives in which war? The correct answer is number A, World War I. The famous Mysore Palace is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is number D, Karnataka. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, is dedicated to. The correct option is number A, Vallabhbhai Patel. The famous Indian festival Diwali is also known as. The correct option is number B, Festival of Lights. The famous Indian painter Raja Ravi Varma is known for his paintings of. The correct option is number A, mythological figures. The famous Indian author Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year. The correct option is number C, 1913. The famous Indian mathematician Aryabhata is known for his work in the field of. The correct option is number A, astronomy. The Indian state of Uttarakhand is known as the land of. The correct option is number B, gods. The famous Indian painter Amrita Sher-Gil is known for her paintings of. The correct answer is number A, Omen. The Indian state of Telangana is known for which classical dance form? The correct option is number D, Kuchipudi. The famous Indian musician Zakir Hussain is associated with which musical instrument? The correct option is number A, tabla.